Hi viewers, this is Seema Jasati and I am going to share with you 5 wonderful ways you can use it and making money by artificial intelligence. So if you are curious and wanted to know how it is, let's come with me. So very first is content creation. You can use AI tools like Chat, GPT, Jasper, Synthesia and hailuo for your content creation, image and video generation. For example, like now we are at the prompt of Chat GPT and I am writing my question about today weather. And it is giving me the reply. Likewise, you can do anything which you want by Chat GPT. Likewise, if you want to generate any image, like I want to generate image of cloud. It is generating. Chat GTP take a time to generate image. Finally, ChatGPT generated image and you can use for your work. And second one is hailuo. You can generate image and video both by the text. hailuo gives 100 coins daily, so you can create 4 video clips daily free of cost, as well as image too by hailuo. Freelancers are earning thousands per month creating content for business that don't have time to write their own. So second one is automated trading boards. Have you ever heard of AI trading boards? Platform like Trade Ideas or 3 Commas use AI to analyze market in real time and make trades for you. So third one is building and selling AI tools. If you can build or team up with someone, then you can create niche AI tools for specific industries. Imagine an AI that helps a dentist schedule patient or one that writes legal notes. SaaS tools like they bring in monthly revenue and investors love them. Now fourth is using AI to create and sell digital products. Here's a clever one. Use AI design ebooks, courses or even digital planners and sell them in platforms like ST, Gumroad or your own site. Now you can log on ST and Gumroad and start now. Now the next is AI in affiliate marketing. While it's not risk-free, some savvy users have built side income or even full-time ones by letting AI trade smarter, and now AI can write product reviews, generate SEO blogs, and automate email campaigns, all for which fuel affiliate marketing. That means mission AI with the right niche. AI isn't just the future, it's the opportunity of right now. Whether you are a tech or a total beginner, there's a path for you to profit. So what one will you try first? To be continued with us, like and subscribe Ultramarks Academy for more money making ideas.